it's Christina and we're talking test tips. Today we're going to talk about grammar practice. So you probably know the expression, practice makes perfect. Well, I'm betting that maybe you text a lot. So what I'm suggesting is that you try texting with correct grammar and punctuation. So this means paying attention to things like verb tense, comma use, pronoun agreement, and especially run-ons and fragments. Now, it doesn't have to be with every text or to everyone or even every day. Maybe just pick one person and that person can practice back with you. And so the two of you can practice texting grammatically correct messages. All right, happy practicing.